Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The lion became king of the jungle. Here were born the Adanes of Sun. Pataki, sacred story. The Adanes of Sun wanted to hold an important position in life, so they went to see Ogbe, the diviner of the land of Edan Nilẹ, and the Osoro, divination outcome, revealed Ògbè Yèkùn, the father of all Molu. He told them, before the Adanes pass away, the eldest among the Ìwòròs will die. The Adanes were then given the sacred duty of becoming protectors of Sun and the Gbani society. The lion, a close friend of the Adanes, was constantly criticized by his own family. They said he had a troubled head and suffered from an inferiority complex. The Adanes brought the lion to the home of Ogbe, who consulted the Ifa for him and said, "In the future, everyone will respect you, but only if you perform the prescribed Igbo and drink the sacred potion revealed in the reading." However, the lion was instructed to urinate around the place where he would sleep. He followed the guidance, made the Igbo, and then urinated in a circle around his sleeping area. Later, when all the other animals tried to approach his location, they inhaled the scent of his urine and died on the spot. Then the lion roared with his new voice, a mighty sacred sound. The animals trembled and exclaimed, "He is not a man. It is not me. He is not from the sky. What is this being before us?" The lion replied, "It is I, Kínìún, the Ogbe Biri, the king of the sacred forest." And so, all the animals recognized the lion as king of the jungle. From that moment on, each time the lion roars, the entire world shakes. Note: in this Odu, Adam, is a sacred name given to Orunmila, and an inse sign, a spiritual charm or medicine, is prepared and wrapped in lion skin. A jikara, gourd bowl, is filled with cool water and crushed laurel leaves. Ashes are added. The 16 meiji, principal Odu, are recited over it, and the water is then consumed. This grants As, spiritual power. This Odu also speaks of an Risa, who was once worshipped in that place, or by that person, but has since been forgotten. They must be honored again and properly adorned.